It looks like my assistant is mad at me today. Time to make this video. I am bad at procrastinating. Well, really good at the procrastinating part, but really bad at the not procrastinating, so I actually do work. So I built a thing at 2 a.m. because that's what I do, and watching myself go another day of procrastinating is physically painful and draining on my mental health. I made an AI assistant to ping me every single hour on my phone to make sure that I am on track and doing work. And it will annoy me with notifications if I don't respond in time with my tasks. It's like having a micromanager, but one I built myself, so I can't even be mad at anyone else. And let's see how it works. So the agent has access to 4 tools, and 2 of those have access to external APIs. So the Get Motions task over here has access to a motion calendar, and the Send Notification tool has access to notify my phone. The process is as follows. The agent is going to send a message to the Tell Time tool, and it's going to receive a message back that today it's 8 a.m. The agent then sends a message to the Get Motion task tool, which then asks my calendar to fetch all my tasks. The motion calendar will then respond with all the tasks, and the Get Motion task tool will respond back to the agent with all the tasks I need to do today. The agent then goes to the Send Notification tool and asks me if I'm on track through sending a notification through to my phone. Once that's done, it will then schedule itself to run in an hour. After an hour's waiting is finished, the Create Schedule tool will then send a reminder to the agent to wake up and repeat the process all over again of asking me what's up, getting my tasks, and making sure that I'm on track with everything. It's all getting the task again, and then the tool is gonna call back, and it's gonna send me a slightly more urgent notification on that I need to be doing my tasks. This time, I'm going to decide to respond, and I'm going to tell it, oh, yes, I'm working on my tasks. Because of that, it's going to be happy. It's very happy. Well, slightly happy. Good enough for it, it thinks. And that's the whole process. First, you'll need Pushcut and its Pro subscription, which lets you receive notifications and data on your phone from any software or service that can send API calls, Relevance AI being one of them. It's only a couple bucks a month, so it shouldn't be too much of a hassle to get it. Next, you'll navigate to Pushcut and create a new notification. This will be the notification that is triggered when the agent sends a message through to you. We can go with the default settings for now. We just need the webhook URL, so we'll copy that and switch to our computer. You can email yourself this webhook URL. So yeah, you definitely can't remember that. Just click on it, copy it, off you go. Now we'll head to our notification agent over here, our hourly reminder agent, and we'll put in the required configurations. So what you need to set this up is there's this send notification to phone tool over here. We open this up and look at it. It's really just a single API call. and this will be the message we're sending, and this is the title of the message. So this is the notification title. We expand this, we can see message to send, title of message. All of this is sorted by the agent. And we also have this push cut webhook. So in this over here, this is where you paste in the webhook from your phone from before that you emailed yourself. And we also have this little personality box over here. Down in configure template, you can put in you can say whatever you want over here depending on how you like your agent to be treating you and micromanaging you. And this is also these core instructions. You don't necessarily need to change anything here. When it activates, it figures out what the time is. If it's still the same day as your first activation, we're getting some tasks, and we're sending a notification to my phone, and then it's gonna run again in an hour. If you're not using Motion, you can switch this out for any other tool that lets you get your tasks for the day. So this can be something like a calendar tool, or yeah, pretty much just any. Pretty sure there are tools out there like a Google Calendar tool that you can use over here. If there isn't, I'll be sure to make one at some point. But now that we're done with this, we can say do my SOP. And if I look at my phone, it should start buzzing. And it looks like it's done. It's checked for the current time, looked in my calendar, but there's none at the moment. And it sent a notification to my phone also, asked what I'm currently up to. It's also scheduled itself to check again with me in an hour to follow up. Unfortunately, it's a bit too late in the night for it to be looking at any tasks, but yeah, that's it. That's all. One annoying, effective anti-procrastination tool. Your own micromanager AI bot. We're done. See you. And I'll be sure to make a calendar tool for people to use if enough people ask for it. But until then, you'll have to figure that one out on your own. Unless you use Motion, then we're all good there. See you. Oh, and by the way, if you are using Motion, this is how the Motion task tool works. It's gonna, all it does is it uses these two API steps depending on what you give it. And in most cases, it'll just use this one. This one will get all the tasks from your calendar and use your API key over here. So you can put that in through the integrations over here. So this is one of the custom API keys over here. This one chains Motion calendar. You can just make your own API key for Motion over here and add it down here, and this tool will start using it. Once it's gotten all the tasks that it can find, it's gonna figure out what the time is at the moment, and then there's this this LLM step that figures out what task it should be returning. So if we go over here, test this out, we can see why it didn't find any tasks, probably because it's past 3 a.m. and it's not seeing anything anymore. So yeah, we do have some tasks, but there's no tasks that are within here. So out of all these tasks, will probably be different depending on what time I ask it, but that's how it goes.